Hello YouTube, I'm Afridi from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video we're gonna learn how to make a thumbnail. So that's not about your foot, not your toe or something. This is the video thumbnail. So first of all, we are gonna need to download PICSART, which you can download on iOS and Android, and its icon looks like this. So you can find this on App Store and your Google Play or One Mobile Market. So we can go and open PICSART. Now open the photo which you're gonna make your thumbnail. That is included in the video so that people will not call you a liar, okay, or maybe a clickbait. So go to FX, choose HDR, and if it looks good you can just not tweak it, and if it doesn't then you can tweak it and apply this. So yeah, apply this and then check how it looks. So this one difference is little, but it is really important. And then we can go and choose the dodge. Then yeah, it looks good. Now we can go and find something else that looks good, but I will choose vignette. And if you do not know what is vignette, now you will know. You know that these sides are dark, but it should not look like this. You should increase the fade and make sure that your object or your subject is properly exposed and do not get stuck. So it looks good. Now you can choose HDR too, but do not go too harsh on the colors. You can tweak it, and then after that you can just play with the fade and make sure that it does not go too vibrant or too oversaturated. Okay, so I think it looks good. It's eye-catching. So yeah, and now we can go and find something else that looks good with the photo. So sometimes you will not find anything else for your video, your photo, and that's a bad thing. No, it's not really a bad thing. I'm just being to not get you bored. So you can go and choose blur, and then you can take the eraser tool and just erase the part that has your object, so it looks like it is focused on the object, and it's like a bokeh effect. So your attention, no, not your attention, the person's attention will be on the object or on the main part of the video. If you are showing a person in the video, then you should keep your person focused and just blur out all the unnecessary things. So, and you should also erase the parts near to your object, because that's not how a DSLR works. Not everything is blurred in. It is like depending on the view, on the focal length. So the nearer things are in focus, and the back, the further they are blurred more. So we are not gonna go too much unrealistic. Now we can go to the polygon in artistic and do the same. Erase the part in which we have the object, because we do not want to destroy that. We are doing these extra things for making the thumbnail look more interesting. There are cases in which your video is better than your thumbnail, and that's really important. Thumbnail is important. You want person to click on your video, even though there are many other videos, but your video should be clicked. That's really important. Okay, so now you can just fade it as always. Now that you have your picture looking really good, sometimes you may want to add some text, and for some people that's really important. Now I don't know what to write here, but I can just write the the brand name of this hub, which is ProMate. I usually like capital letters for a thumbnail. Yeah, so we have a variety of texts, but you can choose the one that fits really good with your thumbnail. Sometimes you are gonna need a bold, sometimes you need a thin one, and sometimes you need I cannot say, but you already know what you like. So yeah, this looks good, but still we can just, you know, play with the colors, because there is always a room for improvement. Yeah, do not forget this. So, you know, orange color is not that good, or this is more nearly like, you know, a yellow and orange something. But you know, for this, you know, video, I have to just show you what you can do to make your thumbnail. So, you know, this kind of font also looks good, and that's not bad. And these fonts are also good, but you know, just does not match with this. But this one does. This one does. So we can just play with the colors again. A gradient is also a good thing. It makes your font look more, you know, what do you say? It looks really good with it. Like, it's giving a life to the font. It's not gonna breathe, but you know, it's like a life for it. It takes it to a new level. So we can apply this. So for this video, it's enough. You know, you can make a thumbnail right now and just, you know, work with it. That's enough for you. You can make good thumbnails now. You can just take the best part from your video and make a good thumbnail out of it. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.